Happy New Year! Can you believe it's 2024 already? I'm thrilled to kick off this new year with you. As we embrace a fresh start, it is a perfect time to reflect, set goals, and pave your way for success and happiness. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Fumilayo from Beth Media, and in today's video, we'll explore practical tips and tricks to ensure that you start this new year on the right note. Let's get right to it. Number 1. Reflect on past years. Confucius said, study the past if you would define the future. And William Wordsworth said that life is divided into 3 terms, that which was, which is, and which will be. Let us learn from the past to profit by the present, and from the present to live better in the future. Before diving into the future, take a minute to reflect on the past years. What were your achievements? What challenges did you overcome? Remember that every experience, whether positive or challenging, is an opportunity for growth. Take a moment to consider the highs and lows of the past year. What were your proudest moments? Where did you face challenges? Personally, I find that taking time to reflect allows me to appreciate my accomplishments and learn from my setbacks. And number 2, set clear goals. Lawrence J. Peters said, if you don't know where you are going, you would probably end up somewhere else. Now let's talk about setting new goals for the new year. Clear goals provide direction and motivation. It is essential to break down larger goals into smaller, achievable tasks. This makes the journey less overwhelming and more manageable. Ensure your goals are specific and measurable in order to track your progress effectively. Vague goals can lead to vague results. Be specific about what you want to achieve. The more detailed and precise your goal is, the easier it is to create actionable plan. Instead of saying exercise more, be specific, like exercise for 30 minutes 3 times a week. The clarity helps transform intentions into reality. Setting goals is just the beginning. Regularly assessing your progress to stay on course. This self-awareness allows for adjustment and also allows you to celebrate achievements. You might use a goal-setting journal or apps or even a vision board to visually track your goal. Find a method that resonates with you and helps maintain focus. Number 3, create a positive mindset. Jeff Moore said, having a positive attitude isn't wishy-washy. It is a concrete and intelligent way to view problems, challenges, and obstacles. A positive mindset can significantly influence your overall well-being and success. It is a powerful tool that you can cultivate. As you venture into the new year, cultivating a positive mindset is a key ingredient for success and happiness. Your mindset shapes your reality. A positive mindset is about approaching challenges with optimism, seeing opportunities in difficulties, and fostering a belief that you have the power to overcome obstacles. Positivity isn't just about being cheerful or having a cheerful disposition. It is a powerful force that can improve your overall well-being, enhance resilience, and attract positive experience. It is natural to face negative thoughts, but it's crucial to challenge and reframe them. Instead of dwelling on what could go wrong, focus on what could go right. For instance, instead of thinking, I can't do this, shift to, I'll give it my best, and I would learn and grow in the process. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a significant role in shaping your mindset. Surround yourself with positive influence, whether it's uplifting people, inspirational content, or a supportive community. Be mindful of the content you consume. Opt for uplifting books, podcasts, and social media accounts that contribute to a positive and motivated mindset. Number 4, prioritize self-care. Princess Diana once said, every one of us needs to show how much we can care for each other and in the process, care for ourselves. Self-care is crucial for a balanced and fulfilling life. It is not selfish. It is a necessity. Explore different self-care practices, including regular exercise, mindfulness, and ensuring that you get enough rest. Taking care of yourself directly contributes to your ability to achieve your personal and professional goals. Establish healthy boundaries. Setting healthy boundaries is a key aspect of self-care. Know your limits and communicate them to others to protect your physical and emotional well-being. Practice saying no when needed. Don't hesitate to prioritize your needs. This is not selfish, it is a fundamental aspect of self-respect. And finally, build healthy habits. As we envision a successful and fulfilling year, building healthy habits is the secret sauce to a long-term personal growth and accomplishment. Healthy habits are routines or behavior that contribute positively to your well-being, productivity, and overall quality of life. Big changes often start with small, consistent action. Building healthy habits is about making positive choices day in and day out. Consistency is the key. It's not about perfection, but about making progress each day. To sum up, reflecting on the past, setting clear goals, cultivating a positive mindset, prioritizing self-care, building healthy habits are the key ingredients to starting the new year right. By incorporating these strategies, you're laying the foundation for a successful and fulfilling year ahead. I would love to hear your goals and intention for the new year in the comments below. That's it for you guys. Now it's time for me to practice what I just preached. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Happy New Year once again, and bye for now.